today we'll be doing the shark helicopter. Natural vacuum. So we're just going to unwrap it. That's how I did it. What's this? Right, so two. Right, that is a shark. You've not seen my new DC, what's it called? DC20. It's a DC, and it's a DC. 25. Oh, DC25. Oh, stupid thing. Right, so that was a shark. My new dc25. I'm sure it's the origin. dc25. So this is the multi-force in it. It's got the brush control up here. I might put some dirt in for the shark. I'm not even gonna use that, dum-dum. Well, I didn't mean dum-dum. So here's the shark, and then I want to do a little test. Right. So I'm going to do a quick review on the shark, then I'll go to the dc25 and then the dc07. Right, so this is the bin recycling. So it's not really recycling. So this is the bin here. It's got an awful lot of stuff in it. Wait, I'll just do a quick mess test. There. And I'll twist it around so you can see. So that's going to be that. What's grip? Let's bang out this filter. Oh. Right, so down here we've got the rovers that wait. Yep. Something stuck in that. These were meant to be anti-hair wrap. No. Sweet wrapper in there. That has actually been stuck there for a really long time. Like since I got it, it's been stuck there. I got it long ago. Alright, you watch that. Right, so this front one comes off, just press a button, pops right off. This is the front soft drawer, spins. Oh. Right, then it fits back on, and I'm just going to put it back on now. It goes on like that. And when you come on a walk right on that 567 for shorts, I'll bring my phone up. That's where the shorts channel is. And I'll do loads of shorts on my walk. I had a walk up to a new space yesterday. There was a women's camp all destroyed. Johnny almost died in quick mud. Oh, it scared me. Right, so this I'm not strong today. But this comes down. I'm not sure what this is for. Use the filter, pops that off, and then this one here. It's currently got loads of these in it. You can see that's monkey currently it's monkey. So I'll just back off the filter a bit. Put that back in. It's quite stressful to me getting these filters back in. Not like the filter what I'm putting in the net, like these. This one is the powered lift away one. It's spelled backwards, I don't know why. Right, so that pops on like that. Then stands up, right? No, I'll take to do that so you can see the full machine better. So I'm gonna bring it back a bit. So here's the main machine. There's a little thing at the back. I've got a lever right here. And you push down on that, and then the wand comes out. Right, like get the crevice tool that's over there and go in the small spaces on the stairs. Then the wand releases by this little button. Comes out like that. It reaches up. And then it gets back in. And this is this front button. Right here, this one. You push down on that. And then that comes off. Lift away. Yeah, by the way, this one's a powered lift away. Bonus dual clean. Goes like that. Stands up like that. So you put this back. Just wait until you hear a click, and there you go. Dust cup release button releases that. There's also a hang that you see. And there's a little lever, a little button for that to flap. Then you just go wow to set it back up. And then here's the other filter, the pre-motor filter. It's quite manky though. I might put that back in there. Then, hopefully Ronnie's not going to come and say finding out what my tuk-tuk's about. Oh, and then this bit is the hang release. That turns the hoover off while it's on. Listen. So, up, turn off. Then. Turn back on. Alright, so that is the Shark. And we'll do a review on the dc25, but I'm not turning it on. It's Dyson. So this one, I particularly got it about 5 days ago. It works well. So really, these bristles, right? These are the stiffest bristles I've ever had on a vacuum. Like, it's not that powerful. It doesn't really pick up. It does do a great job though. Cleaning the carpets. The filters. I'll show you the filters now. First, I need to stand it up. There we go. And then lay it on its back. I have to do that. Does. That comes off. That still rolls. So the inside of it doesn't actually roll. It's just the outer shell that rolls. And then there's a little clip. And then this filter is there. It's quite manky. Actually, on the other side, it's quite clean. The inside, it's manky. No, even that just clips in. Yep, it's in. Now, to find a wee bit, I need to push that directly where it needs to go. Oh. And then it goes in like that. Now, you stand it back up, which is easy enough. Take this venom cyclone off, move this main body out of the way. So here is the other filter, A filter, and then that pops off, and then you've got your filter in here. It's quite manky actually. They're both quite manky. Cyclones are there. I feel like these are fake cyclones. Because how is it going to work when the filter's on top? Like Dyson. I mean, it does work. Trip my plugs. dc07 wasn't working. His plugs were tripped because of this. I didn't care how it done it. I seen a dc04 make it. Dyson Dual Cyclone. Oh, that's really gritty. Oh, that's grit. Oh, no, it's all gritty. Ugh. Ooh, no filters. Ooh, some filters. Then pops back on. The hinge come through there, the dust. This is the hinge. And by the way, go check out my favourite YouTuber that he's called Parboy786. Oh, really fine grit and dust. Oh, his hair's trapped in here. Oh, that's really fine. I'm sure the cyclones are actually real now. Cause oh, fine grit. Ew, these are loads of fine dust. Oh. Usually never find these in later Dyson models. Oh, this one was, I'm sure it was made in 2009 or 8. Oh, loads of fine grit. Oh, that's disgusting. I don't know why I'm touching it, but I'm touching it. Oh, you see the cyclones. Shit. Oh, fine grit. Oh, dc07's worse because the cyclones are that big. They get so much more dust. And the cyclones are definitely real that I've been in them. Ooh, they are so dusty. Dusty, crusty, musty. But I cleaned them up. Working brand new. Oh, there's so much fine. Oh, actually, you need to see this fine grit. Look at this. Look at all that fine grit. Oh, this dc07 will be loving life. Because that's got a odd. Oh, so powdery. Just rub it into my carpet. Here's. Can I get any more out of this? Right, Valerie is going to help me with this. Oh, see. God, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 cyclones. Collected all of that. But dc07 like has 7. Yeah, it does. Imagine, like, this was a dc25, so I had 25 cyclones. Oh, no, I need to hoover that. Nah, bro.